How to change the overall video speed or simply change certain parts of your video to play faster or even super slow. And this is with the PowerDirector Video Editor app. Make sure you have the latest update so that you can have access to all the tools that you're seeing in this video. And let's get started. When you're ready to change the speed of your video, you can simply tap on the timeline area here down there. And if you're working with multiple video clips, you will have to do this for the video clip that you want to do it by selecting it. And to select it, you'll tap on it like this here. You will notice that once I select it, the set of tools down here will now change. And one of them is going to be the speed tool, which is this one right there. As I select the speed tool here, you will notice that there is 3 different options. And to change the overall speed, you will go with standard speed option here. By tapping this here, you can simply adjust this to play your video a lot faster. You will notice the duration here will also change. So the faster your video is set to play, the less time the video duration is. And if you bring it behind the one, it's gonna be slower, but also make your video longer, okay? And of course, you can also press the reset to have it back to the original state and press the check mark to finish with the overall speed change. Now, if you do decide to go with the speed curve, or also known as speed shift change, you will go to the curve option. This is a pro option, so you will need to pay for it in order to use it. But if you have the pro version and you want to use it, let's go ahead and try it out. So you will notice there is none. There is a few other options here that are presets, and you can choose one of the presets here, and whatever you select it as, it will save as that. You can also, when you select one of the presets, you can tap on it a second time, and that'll allow you to change the different speed, also known as beats. These little points here, and you can just move them around, and tapping in different areas will allow you to add some more beats, okay? Now I can go with reset, I can back out of this, and if you want to make your own speed curve, you will go to custom, and you'll notice everything's going to be straight. And to make your own super speed, super slow, you will move these little circles, which are the beats, and you can also adjust them to how fast you want them to up to 10 times, or make them super slow to 0.1. So maybe this first one here, I want it to be so slow, and it's going to be 0.1. And if I want to add some more beats by tapping in a blank area that doesn't have a beat like this here, you'll notice now you can add a beat. So add, and I'll come here, I'll add another one, I'll go here, I'll add another one, and if I go here, I'll also add another one, and I'll have multiple beats to work with. Now that I've added a few more beats, I can now customize it. So what's gonna happen here is my video is gonna start off really slow, and it's gonna go super fast, dropping back down to a super slow, or you can adjust it to how you want it to be. And whatever changes you set it to, then just press the check mark. That's gonna save it, and you can now have that as your video by pressing the check mark, newly adjusted video speed. And you will notice that when you press play, it's gonna go super fast, super slow. This may not be the perfect example, but your video will show the different changes in the speed change. And that's that, my friends. Like and sub.